It's cheap, it looks great, and the most important part, I can stand to pee with ease. Hey, what's up? My name is Kade, and today I'll be giving you my full review on everything that you need to know before you get this STP Packer, and it's the cheapest one on the market, so you're gonna wanna check this out. Everything I'll be discussing in this video, like the STP and the rodeos, I'll make sure to link those below. Don't forget to use the discount code because it helps you out, but it also helps me out too, so check that out. So if you did not already know, an STP is a stand-to-pee device that helps you be able to really stand up and pee whenever you want. As well as most of the time, STPs are a dual-purpose packer. So if you want to have that bulge look in your pants, this is a great way to go. When looking to buy an STP, I feel like there are 4 important things that you need to consider. Number 1, the way it looks. Number 2, the way that it feels. Number 3, affordability. And number 4, functionality. Trigger warning, if you get triggered by the look of fairly realistic prosthetics, go ahead and check out my last video above. In 3, 2, okay, so here is the STP. Now, let's get into the details on those 4 things you should consider. So this reads on the box that it's hygienically superior ultra-soft silicone. It's sculpted to securely fit to your body and your favorite harness. It's soft and comfortable, body safe, unscented, and phosphate, free. So this is the package that it comes in. As you can see, it's really basic. And keep in mind, once again, this is extremely affordable, so the material is not going to be the best ever, but you get what you're paying for, and honestly, it's worth what you're paying for. When it comes to the way that it feels, it's actually extremely soft and feasible. So regardless of how you're wanting to pack it in your pants, whether it be up and to the left, up and to the right, or how I like to pack it, which is down, it looks great. And I'll show you in a moment how it looks in underwear. The next most important thing that you need to look out for when you're buying an STP is functionality, because it's an STP. You want to be able to actually pee out of the prosthetic. And with this, it did take a few different tries when I've been peeing in the shower with this and peeing with my pants to my knees trying to pee with this before I was able to get really the hang of it. But when I was finally able to get the hang of it, the euphoria that I had when I was able to stand at the gym urinal and just pee was like no other. So it definitely has been like helping my bottom dysphoria as well recently. Do you agree it's been helping my bottom dysphoria? It works best when you're packing with the Rodeos briefs. I'll also link those below and you can check out my review above. But I feel like since the hole on the Rodeos is just there, I could just like whip it out, and it's really easy to position against my body for this and just to start to release and go. So how realistic this dick actually looks. I believe that it is pretty realistic, like from afar as well. It's mostly like, it looks really good when you're wearing it and just packing it, especially when you're packing it down. Be careful though, because I've seen if you pack it down like way too much, it won't be able to have like the life of the prosthetic as long, because it starts to be able to create like a crease there. But like my whole time that I've been able to use this, there has not been any issues, and I still pack it down every time. So this is what it looks like when I'm packing it down with the Rodeos briefs. This is what it looks like when I'm packing it to the side. I don't like packing it with this way as much because of how hard the balls are. It kind of looks like you do have a semi, and I am not trying to go for that look at all. Definitely when packing it down, with how soft and feasible this is though, it's not an issue, but it kind of just, it looks like that it would be harder, but it just, like, you can just keep it pressed up against your pants and it's not an issue. So affordability. This is the absolute most affordable Packer STP combo I have seen on the market, especially with how nice it is as well. I have seen a few other ones that like have this similar shape, like the Mr. Phoenix, but that is closer to $25. And this, it's very realistic, it's soft, and it's only $15. It's like 2 coffees, and you can just pack and have your STP like ongoing for only $15. And that's even before my discount, which don't forget to use the discount code because savings are awesome. Are savings amazing, Packer? If you're looking to try out a really cheap, affordable Packer, I highly encourage you check this out. It's a fantastic starter Packer in STP as well. The only downside I feel to this is up close, it is not very realistic, like it's just one color and the tip is pretty big. One downside that I definitely realized with this is since I am a very strong peer, I did tend to have a little bit of backflow because I just pee so strong. But when I got more used to it and had more of a controlled stream, it worked a lot better. So to really wrap this all up, if you're looking to get an STP as a starter, and you've never tried one before, plus if you're a broke ass bitch like me, consider checking out this STP. I will link everything in the bio as well as the rodeos, but give this a check out and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. I will be putting up a playlist of all my other trans related products that I have reviewed in a moment. Thank you so much for watching. You are beautiful, and peace. The balls are really heavy though, so if you get hit in the face with the balls, like, oh, I just got, ow, like it's gonna leave like a red mark. Ah!